am enriched by the abundance of God. What a promise this is, as though the divine were issuing a challenge to each of us and saying, perhaps things are better than they appear to be. Have you ever really tried having confidence in the Spirit? Have you ever experimented with your own mind to see if you could come to a place where you really believe there is good enough to go around? It is as though the prophets were telling us that even the divine bounty itself, lavish and extravagant as it must be, awaits our acceptance. Possibly we have been holding our bowl of acceptance and our chalice of life upside down, so that even the fruit and the wine of the spirits cannot be poured into it. Yet the windows of heaven must forever be open. Today I open the windows of my own soul, so that the windows of heaven may pour into my experience a blessing greater than I am able to receive. Nor would I withhold this blessing from others. For as surely as it comes to me, just as surely will it go forth multiplied and increased to heal and help, to bless and enrich and gladden others. Today my faith, my hope, my expectancy looks up and out and beholds a limitless abundance present everywhere, flowing through all things, a limitless love giving of itself to everything, an infinite peace enveloping all, and behind it all, and around it and through it, a joy forever singing a song of happiness and fulfillment. This is my day. This is my heaven. This is my life. This is my God. In Him will I put my trust.